Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a logo using Leonardo AI. So first, go ahead and go to your Leonardo AI. As you can see, currently I'm here. And then you wanna go ahead and click on Community Feed on your left-hand side. As you can see, there's a bunch of AI generated pictures here. So what we're looking for is something like a logo, like this cut over here, but it's more likely like a sticker. Okay, so for example, this lion right here, that one looks so good. And also this wolf right here. And let's see if we can find more. And this cute cat over here. Oh, this skull looks so good as well. Okay, so let's just use that lion for example. This lion looks so good, especially for logo. And you can see the prompts that he used to render this specific image. And also the negative prompt right here. So what you want to do next is go over and click this image to image button right here. Right there, as you can see, the lion is right there. And as you can see, it automatically pasted the prompt that he used to generate this specific image. It didn't quite copy the negative prompt. So what we're going to do is go back to the community feed and find that same image again, like this one. Let's go and copy this and go back to image and just paste the negative prompt right here. Now, after you pasted the negative prompt, go ahead and edit a little bit in the positive prompt right here. And maybe we can change this lion to maybe like a panda or something. Let's try panda. Okay, now if you're satisfied with your prompt, you can go ahead and generate the logo. Okay, but before that, I'm gonna choose generate 4 images because I want to see how the different style of image will pop up. Okay, let's hit generate here. And let's just wait a couple of seconds. And here, as you can see, it didn't quite get the style of isometric style, but it generates some panda image like this. So let's go ahead and increase the init strength to maybe 0.6 or something. And then let's hit generate again. Now actually, my token is running low, so let's just reduce the number of image to 1 and hit generate just to see if this one is, like much closer to this logo right here. Okay, let's wait a couple of seconds. And there you go. As you can see, it generated some weird looking animal right here. So let's go back and maybe adjust this to 4.3 something like that. Okay, then go ahead and hit generate. Okay, that is close enough, but I don't quite like the hair right there. Okay, so I generated 3 more images, but as you can see, it didn't quite get the idea that we want. So let's go ahead and change the style, right? Okay, go to the fine-tune model and select custom model. Go to platform models and look for the models that you want to copy. And in our case, I'm just gonna set mine to cute animal characters and generate this model. Okay, now as you can see, cute animal character is selected, and let's go ahead and generate that one more time. That's not what I expected. So anyway, you can play around with these settings if you want. You can change the style to none and maybe tweaks a little bit of option here. So yeah, it really depends on your preference. But as long as you have the image to image, you can copy this as close as possible, like this one right here. So for me, I'm satisfied with this panda right here. It's so cute. And he's wearing a little jacket or something. So yeah, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.